much do you weigh? What is considered overweight for your body type? Do you like someone like a bad boy looking man? Or someone that is like kind? Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
Single. How long have you been single?
Since birth.
Since birth.
Yeah.
Wow. Why? Are you picky? Or no one is courting you?
No one.
No one is courting you?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
How much do you weigh?
45.
45 kilos.
Yes po.
She sounds like she's not sure. Are you sure with your answer?
Yes.
Okay, so you're sure. Okay, now, what is your ideal weight?
Um, 50.
50. Okay. What is considered overweight for your body type?
70 kilos.
70 kilos. May we know your height?
Um, height,
Mhm.
one
What's your height? Are you
Five.
5?
5'4".
You're 5'4"?
Oo.
Oh, okay. She's 5'4". Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
Single. How long have you been single?
Since birth.
Since birth.
Yeah.
Wow. Why? Are you picky? Or no one is courting you?
No one.
No one is courting you?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
No one is courting her, guys. Wow. Are you sad?
No. Study first.
Study first. What course are you? Oh, she's a happy person. What course are you taking, be?
Bised po.
What is BSED?
Bachelor Early Childhood.
Early childhood. What is that? Bachelor in early childhood. What is
Ano?
that? Like, are you gonna be a teacher or what?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna.
Teacher for kinder.
Oh, she's gonna be a kindergarten teacher. That's very. Do you love kids?
No.
Oh, no. You're gonna be a teacher, but you don't love kids.
I don't have choice po kasi
You don't have choice. What do
yeah.
you mean by you don't have choice?
Sa ano po, sa course po kaya na gusto ko, 'di po ako nakapasa.
Oh, she didn't pass to the course that she wanted. The course that she really wanted to take. Oh, so that's why you ended up studying
Yeah.
to become a teacher to teach kindergarten students. Oh no. Oh my God, bless those kids in the near future. How much do you weigh?
Um, 47.
47 kilos. And how about you, Beth?
61 po.
61. Okay. 61 and 47. Now, what is your ideal weight?
For me is 48 to 50 po.
48 to 50. And you?
50 to maximum is 55.
55. Okay. Do you do gym? Like
Yes po. We do like here in fitness lab.
fitness lab
Yes po.
in Goa?
Yes.
And you too, right, Beth?
Yes po.
What do you usually do inside the gym? Like what kind of exercise?
Uh, I'm focusing more about in my lower body, my glutes and legs. Because I know it enhances my body po.
And how about you, Beth?
I do full workout because for me it is important to, work out with your full body so that it's balanced.
I love that. And also proper diet.
Of course.
Both of you, do you also like do diets or?
Yes po. Part po yan kang, wait.
That's also part of what? Of losing weight and doing workouts like that?
Yes po. Part po kang pag-exercise.
What kind of food do you eat?
More protein and veggies and fruits.
And you, Beth?
Same po. Because more on protein and less on calories, of course. It is important when you eat less calories. And I do cuts, which means I cut on calories and more on veggies and protein.
What is considered overweight for your body type?
For me, I think over 60 kilograms.
That's overweight already?
Yeah, for me, cause I'm a petite girl and I don't think that my body will suits overweight like 60 up kilograms.
60 kilos up. And how about you, Beth?
For me, it's 65 and maximum of 70 kilograms because I experienced going up high to 72 kilograms, but then I got stressed and yeah, I lose weight because of that. So for me, yeah, 65 up to 70 kilograms.
65.
Yeah.
Okay. 65, that's already overweight for both of you. Over 60 kilos. Wow. I thought you're going to say maybe 100 kilos, 200 kilos, like those. So 60 for you.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I'm just curious, how tall are you, Beth?
5'4".
5'4", and you?
Same as her.
Oh, the same. Okay. I'm wearing heels. That's why I look. But if I'm not, I'm like this. See the difference? Like that. Okay. You're both college students, right?
Yes.
What course are you taking?
BSHM, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
Hospitality. What What year are you now?
Third year.
Third year college. And both singles or have boyfriends?
Single.
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 Both of us.
Actually, cousins.
Oh, your cousins, your relatives. Wow. That's why you're both beautiful. Oh, you're welcome. So you're both cousins and you're both singles. How long have you been single?
1 year.
A year, and you?
A month.
A month. Oh, so
Yeah.
fresh from the breakup. Oh.
I'm fully healed already.
Wow. That was
Yeah.
quick. 1 month. Oh my God.
I just realized I deserve better. Yeah.
He cheated?
Sorry?
He cheated, your ex-boyfriend?
No, it's just his character attitude against me. Like he doesn't treat me right at all. So I decided to break up with him.
What is your ideal man?
For me, my ideal man is respectful, of course, family oriented and loyal, God fearing.
I love that.
Yeah. That,
And how about you, Beth?
A gentleman, has goal oriented and family oriented also, and a generous man.
Generous. Oh. Do you like someone like a bad boy looking man? Or someone that is like kind?
Yeah, I that's kind of my type. Bad
Which
boy
one?
looking, but he's kind-hearted, like he has soft spot. Like when you see him, like he's a bad boy, but when he treated you, like it's not suited to his face or appearance.
How about you, bad boy or good or kind looking man?
I like a kind looking man. It is for me the important. Like when you see him, um, that he's good.
Okay, that's nice. Again, thank you so much for having this interview with us. I love you. I love both of you a lot. Okay, hopefully we earned your subscription, and also if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching, and take care, everyone.
Beautiful reflection